In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money as an Amazon affiliate on the Amazon.com. What's going on, guys? My name is and I've been making money as an Amazon affiliate for a few months. Now I just wanted to share with you today the event why you really need to start making money with the Amazon affiliate program, and why it's one of the best entry methods to the field of affiliate marketing. And we are going to do all of that right now. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're essentially just promoting someone else's products, and in return you are receiving the percentage of their revenue. So that's the bare bones basically of the affiliate marketing. Number one reasons why you need to start using an affiliate marketing program through it, because you need almost no sales skills to be an affiliate marketing for the Amazon.com. To really pull it off, guide, there's a lot of the affiliate marketing sites out there, like the Quick Bank or Commissions Junction. But if you are not using like Amazon affiliate programs, you're probably going to struggle a bit generating cold leads and turning those into the sales. It's going to be through tough, but with the Amazon affiliate programs, you really don't have to worry nearly as much about converting clicks to sales, because Amazon links converts like crazy. And there's the few reasons for that. First of all, when people click on your individual Amazon affiliate link, it takes them to the Amazon.com, and suddenly, I have to do some Christmas shopping. I have to buy the little Johnny a gift for something for you. No, I probably like someone toilet paper or something, and then I'm buying so much more stuff on the site, because it's pretty much like the Walmart of online, and so they are buying so much more stuff, so you're getting more commissions. That let me just clear up real quick that once someone clicks on your Amazon affiliate links, you're receiving commissions on anything and everything they buy on the site for the next 24 hours. For example, last month someone bought the dehumidifier through my link, and I made something like the $18 off that sales, but I wasn't even promoting the dehumidifier. I think I was promoting a book for something, and ended up buying this $200 products. So it's pretty crazy how you can make money. You just have to get them to click on your link to go to Amazon.com, and once they on the site, it's your problem anymore. Whatever they buy, you get commissions, and it's usually between about 1 and 10% for affiliate commissions. So it's not great, but you're getting really high conversative for the sites. So how you actually get started with this? Well, you're going to need some type of the website or to promote your Amazon products. And I found that the best way to do this is actually through YouTube. And there's the reasons for this, because video reviews and of the products converts a lot more clicks through your link, because naturally people like to see a video of the products before they buy it, and you are much more likely to swing them over and get them to buy their products if they see an actual video of this. And so you could certainly get a lot more clicks if you are writing a blog post for the products, but like they say, guys, a picture is worth 1,000 words. I don't know how many words of the video are worth, but either ways, guys, just a video is the way to go. And I sort of mentioned this, but the best way to make money with Amazon Associative is to review a product, and then place your link in the end of the products review. Now, with that being said, I don't want you to go down the road that some really just low people take, which is giving everything positive reviews regardless of whatever the product is actually good or not. they just give everything apart, like the positive reviews, and they say, but this product I love it, when really it might just be complete crap, but they want to get affiliate commissions. So just make it sure that you're actually honest about the products. Don't don't know when to recommend crap. That's just immoral. Don't do that. So if you want to start making money with the Amazon associated programs, I would start a YouTube channel or maybe a blog, whatever your reviews products, and then put your link in the descriptions below. I know some people who literally make thousands of dollars in Amazon affiliate commissions per video. So they say upload one guy that comes to mind right now is Sean Cannell from the Think Media TV. He posts a video and he will make thousands of dollars per video that he makes just off the Amazon affiliate commissions. And just things about the guys, if you posted something like the camera or example of the camera was over $1,000 that I'm filming with right now, and if you posted the products review of the camera and say over a lifetime of that video, then you will get 10,000 views on that video, and maybe 20 people buy the actual camera that you are promoting in your video, which you pretty easy get to 20 people to buy that out 10,000. So and you would get about 50 in the commissions per camera that you sold. It's about $1,000 for the video. That probably took you an hour or two tops to make that video, and you can make $1,000 and get that 1 hour, guys. Now I don't want to promise you that you are going to make the affiliate commissions, but killer affiliate commissions on everything that you try to sell. I know in my videos at the bottoms I was to just put the link into the book on Amazon, and there's actually a couple of the reasons to this. So the first reason is because obviously I like reading a lot of the books, and I think reading the books are very helpful, especially when you are trying to learn and you are trying to learn how to invest or start a business. Reading books is the amazing things. But another reasons why I do this, and this actually has proven to work pretty well, is if you are putting something like the book on theirs is very low cost, and then they get into the site, so they click on the link as they say, oh, like $3 or something, so they get into the site, and once they are onto the site, it doesn't matter what they buy. I get commissions on anything they buy. So sometimes it's good to have what cost items just to get them to click on your link, and then once you get onto the site, they can buy things like the humidifier or the couch or all kinds of the just crazy stuff on Amazon. By the way, guys, if you are one of the person who actually bought the dehumidifier, let me know in the let me know it. I know it probably sounds pretty creepy, but I can actually see what people buy through my affiliate links. And somebody bought like the toothpaste mouthwash. I don't want creepy guys out though, so that about it, guys, affiliate links on Amazon is really great way to get into the affiliate marketing. And speaking of affiliate marketing, we are going to have a really cool video coming out next week. It's kind of the surprise. I think you're really going to like it. Really big things coming up with affiliate marketing. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and let me know down below some other videos ideas that you guys would like to some we talk about. I can certainly we talk about more about YouTube, starting YouTube channels, but I'm not sure if you want that or no or not. So let me know down below. I will see you in next time.